SoundSuggest is a visual explanation system. Such a system uses visual elements to explain and provide insight into a complex concept. The concept in this case is a Last.fm recommender. A recommender system automatically generates item recommendations for a certain user. A recommender system may use various approaches or algorithms to calculate these recommendations based on the user's preferences and/or behavior. The Last.fm recommender is based on an algorithm called collaborative filtering. In this approach, the system looks for similar users of the active user, based on similarities between artist libraries and play counts. A neighbor is then a user with a high similarity score to the active user. The goal of this explanation system is to provide insight into the quality of Last.fm recommendations. By providing an approximation of the underlying concept of collaborative filtering-based recommendation, the user can make an estimation of how the system calculated the recommendations. To install the application, simply search for SoundSuggest in the Google Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and the extension should be added to your browser. The extension should become active on the recommendations page of Last.fm when you are logged in with your Last.fm account. Note that you'll need to authenticate the application the first time you visit the page. Hover or select items on the graph. The graph will highlight edges and nodes that occur in the same profile. The relevant profiles in the list of neighbors will be highlighted as well. Similarly, when hovering or selecting a neighbor, the items that are in his or her profile will be highlighted on the graph. If you want more information on a certain item or user, click the item or user. If you still want more information, click View Full Profile. To add an artist recommendation to your library, select one of the artists in the graph. Next, click the button View Full Profile and click Add to Library. The item is added to your library. The visualization will not reload until you refresh the page. If you have a question, feel free to post a comment on this video or on the SoundSuggest blog at soundsuggest.wordpress.com.